Good morning, students. In this lecture, we should discuss about feminism. We also discuss its origin, significant elements, features, and relevance in contemporary society. Friends, the concept of feminism and feminist in the European world of thought are based on the European socio-cultural, political, and economic context. The concept of feminism refers to all the movements in which women have raised and struggled on many issues to inculcate the idea of women's liberation and women's freedom in the society. Western feminism has a background in the Enlightenment movement, humanism, and individualism movements emerged in Europe from the Renaissance and Enlightenment movements. The concept that are the key concept of feminism began in the Enlightenment period. The treatment of male supremacy, male power, and male privilege, gender inequity, subordination of women, and the construction of form of exploitation were discussed. Now we should define what is feminism. In the concept of feminism, it is used in plural form due to the diversity of feminist perspective, finds diversity in different perspectives of feminist thinkers, their methods and tools of study, the purpose and motivation behind feminist studies, and their own life experiences. Feminism is not a unified concept. Another reason is that it is based on each country's socio-cultural context. Moreover, facts such as language, class, caste, profession, and age also influence the diversity of feminism. There are many currents of feminist thinkers even within a country of the same region, race. In this sense, the concept of feminism is not unified, but it is used in multidimensional, multidisciplinary, plural form. Attention should be paid to its contradictions. In the context of diversity and plurality, in the feminist perspective, liberation of women from subordination and oppression is the broad goal of all feminist perspective and feminist activists. So it is possible to define exactly what is feminism is. Only accurate, clear, and appropriate use of the concept of feminism on the basis of historical evidence, careful treatment of the tools, it is prerequisite for explaining the concept of feminism. Historically, speaking of various ideologies and movements, feminism is the creative participation of various social theories, political movements, and moral philosophies, competing with men, opposing male dominance and supremacy to establish a large scale of equity in the terms of unequal, secondary, oppressive treatment experienced by women compared to men in the social, political, and economic spheres. Feminism is the references to movements that resist human exploitation.